Welcome to a world where worn-out furniture is given a spectacular second chance. In our fast-paced consumer society, it's easy to overlook the beauty and potential of older pieces. Many items that have served their purpose are often discarded, yet they hold untapped possibilities waiting to be unveiled. Through this journey of upcycling, we'll explore creative techniques that allow you to transform tired, overlooked furniture into stunning statement pieces for your home. Whether it's a faded chair in need of a new upholstery or a scratched dresser yearning for a fresh coat of paint, your imagination is the only limit. Together, we'll discover the art of seeing potential where others see the past, and we'll empower you to express your unique style in every corner of your space. As we dive deeper into the world of upcycling, we'll emphasize the joy of creativity and the satisfaction that comes from making something uniquely yours. This journey isn't just about aesthetics, it's about embracing sustainability and making a positive impact on the world around us. By reimagining the furniture we already have, we not only reduce waste but also contribute to a more mindful way of living. Each transformation tells a story, weaving together history, innovation, and style. So, gather your tools and let's embark on this exciting adventure of reviving worn furniture into chic treasures that reflect your personality and enhance your home decor. As we embark on this exciting journey of upcycling furniture together, we invite you to become an integral part of our vibrant community of creative enthusiasts. This adventure is not just about transforming old, worn-out pieces into stunning works of art. It's about fostering a shared love for sustainability, innovation, and individuality in home design. If you find inspiration in our transformations and techniques and feel the spark of creativity igniting within you, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of ideas, helpful tips, and step-by-step guides tailored for both seasoned DIYers and newcomers alike. Each subscription helps us grow this community even further, allowing us to bring you even more engaging content that inspires and empowers. Your involvement is crucial, as we strive to create a space where everyone feels encouraged to share their own ideas, ask questions, and showcase their unique projects. We want to hear about your experiences, even the challenges you face along the way. By subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos, you're not just supporting our channel, you're actively participating in a movement that values creativity and the joy of upcycling. Together, we can inspire others to see the potential in forgotten furniture and transform their homes into beautiful reflections of who they are. So let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. There's so much fun ahead. In today's society, where sustainability and eco-conscious living are becoming increasingly important, upcycling worn furniture offers a unique opportunity to breathe new life into tired pieces. With every outdated item, we hold the potential to create something beautiful and functional, thereby minimizing waste and reducing our environmental footprint. This journey of transformation requires a shift in perspective. It involves looking beyond the visible wear and tear of furniture and uncovering the promise it holds. Each piece carries a history, and with imagination, it can be reimagined as a chic treasure that not only enhances your living space but also becomes a conversation starter and a source of pride. The transformative process of upcycling calls for a highly personal form of artistic expression. This is your chance to infuse your home with your unique style, whether that's through vintage charm, sleek modernity, or playful bohemian flair. The act of envisioning how your space can evolve is foundational to the upcycling journey. As you consider your surroundings, allow your creativity to flourish. Experimentation with colors, textures, and styles is not just welcome, it's essential. Each brushstroke, fabric choice, or hardware selection becomes a part of a much larger narrative that reflects who you are and what you love. To kick off your upcycling adventure, start by immersing yourself in a world of inspiration. Resources are plentiful: design blogs, DIY websites, social platforms like Pinterest and Instagram, and even dedicated YouTube channels can provide an endless stream of ideas. Delve into these platforms and note the techniques that resonate with you. You may find inspiration from those who have transformed similar items in ways you never thought possible, igniting ideas that may not have crossed your mind. Take all of this newfound knowledge and harness it to fuel your creativity, transforming not just pieces of furniture, but your entire environment. Once you have a vision, it's time to evaluate the condition of your furniture. Each piece possesses its own unique charm, but it may require a little TLC to bring out the best in it. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of what you have. Perhaps a charming old chair needs a solid repair on its legs, or a weary-looking cabinet could shine again with a new paint job. Remember, this process isn't merely about fixing what's broken, it's about elevating the everyday into something fresh and inspiring. Sometimes all it takes is a little sanding, a coat of whitewash, or even a pop of color to turn bland into breathtaking. Introducing unique materials can also elevate your upcycling projects to creative new heights. Consider incorporating elements like interesting fabric, reclaimed wood, or decorative metal accents to achieve that wow factor in your designs. Ultimately, embracing the art of upcycling is about far more than aesthetics. It symbolizes an enriching experience that fosters creativity and nurtures a sense of community. Engaging in this hands-on creative practice not only allows you to redesign your home but enriches your spirit, opening doors to new friendships, skills, and ideas. With each project, remember to relish the process, everything from the brainstorming moments to the satisfying completion, because each effort invested transforms not just your belongings but the very essence of your environment, creating a space that is uniquely and unmistakably yours. Thank you for joining us in this journey of creativity and transformation. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found inspiration in our upcycling adventures. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, as it helps us continue to share more creative ideas and tips with you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends and family who might also enjoy discovering the magic of reviving old furniture. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Stay tuned for our next creative project, and remember, every piece has a story waiting to be told. Let's tell it together.